going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cool 3D text effect using Filmora 12. This is so simple to create, and also at the end of this video I need to introduce you guys to the Filmora achievement program, so watch till the end. So let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay guys, first we need to add 3D text, so you can add a 3D text layer in here. So I already added my 3D text to the timeline, and I use this animation, with a 2-second duration. So here is what it looks like. Then we need to export this text animation. After that I add my exported video to the Filmora, and we need to delete these old text layers. We don't need these again. Then I add the exported video to the timeline. After that we need to add an overlay to this, so this is the overlay I use. I put the link in the description, you can download this. So then I add this overlay to the timeline like this. Then we need to change the blend mode, so go to the compositing and change the blend mode to darken. Okay guys, now our text effect looks like this. So then we need to add a background to this. So here I have a few backgrounds. I put the link in the description, you can download these backgrounds too. Then I add this background to the bottom layer like this. Okay, now we need to remove this black area on this text layer. So go to the Effects tab, and search Remove Black Background Effect. Then add it to our text layer, and you can see it perfectly removed background. After that I adjust the background scale like this. Okay, now we need to add this glow effect to this. So first we need to add an adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects tab, select Boris FX, select Plus Light. Then select Plus Glow Edges, and add it to this adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects settings, and change the brightness to 200 and blur to 180. Then scroll down and change edge brightness to 15 and edge blur to 40. Also change the GPU rendering to 16-bit. Okay, after that we need to add a little bit curved look to this. For that go to the image restoration, and select this lens correction effect, and add it to this adjustment layer. Then go to the effects settings, and change correction to something minus value. So I change it to 25, and increase the scale a little bit like this. Okay guys, our first text effect is done. Here's what it looks like. So now let's see how to create this text effect. For that go to the effect settings on the adjustment layer, and select the glow edges effect, and remove it. Then we need to add a new effect called BCC Plus Rays, so I add it to this adjustment layer like this. Go to the effect settings, and you can customize these settings you like. So here I use default settings. And here you can see the final result. So guys, what do you think about this tutorial? So if you like more text animation, I will bring more tutorials about these. Also finally I need to tell you guys about the Filmora achievement program. So now you can earn exciting rewards in Filmora for your creation. So you need to follow a few steps to earn these rewards. So first you need to upgrade your Filmora to 12.5.5 or above, and need to sign in to Filmora. After that you can check out the all information about the achievement program. After that you can click each badge's Learn More button to view its task and rewards. Once the task is complete and unlocked, you can share your milestone on social media. After that click the My Reward section to check out all the rewards. Then you can redeem and review your rewards after unlocking the badges. So join to Filmora achievement program and earn exciting rewards now. So I put the link in the description, you can check more information about it. Also I need to remind you guys about the Filmora email sign-up contest. You still have time to join this contest. So if you like to join this, you can enter this contest before the 6th of September, and 10 of you can win $50 Amazon gift cards. So I put the link in the description, you can check more information about it. So that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next, so let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.